This topic is based on fluid mechanics. In this, the topic is fluid pressure measurements. So the various types of fluid pressure are gauge pressure, absolute pressure, atmospheric pressure. The relationship between goes like this: P absolute is equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. So based upon this, I am going to solve a problem. Question goes like this: what are the gauge pressure and absolute pressure at a point 3 meter below the free surface of a fluid or liquid having density 1.53 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. So density is given. So you have here rho 1. If the amount of atmospheric pressure is equivalent to 750 millimeter. So this is your H2 of mercury. The specific gravity of mercury is 13.6 and the density of water is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. So you need to calculate as per this equation. You need to calculate absolute pressure is equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Now here I need to calculate both gauge and atmospheric pressure. Now this is my atmospheric pressure. This is I'm going to calculate how to calculate. I'm just going to show you how to calculate the atmospheric pressure. For atmospheric pressure, the height H2 is given as 750 millimeter. I converted into 0.75 meter. And here, specific gravity of mercury is given. You can see the specific gravity of mercury is, wait a minute. The specific gravity of mercury is given. It's how much? 13.6. So specific gravity of mercury is how much? 13.6. Now, there was a formula. Specific gravity is equal to density of the unknown fluid. That is, we don't know the density of specific gravity of mercury is knowing, density of mercury is unknown. So I'll write here density of mercury divided by density of standard liquid. Now my standard liquid will be of density of water. So here it goes, specific gravity of mercury is 13.6, density of mercury is unknown, density of water. Density of water we take density of standard liquid. So 13.6 is equal to rho density of mercury divided by 1000. So when I cross multiply, I get the density of mercury as 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Now I'll show you how to calculate. I'll just rub this. So yeah, from this what I got? Density of mercury. So the density of mercury is how much I got through the solution? Density of mercury is 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Similarly, now here, now density of water, this fluid which is there, that is already given. This is density, this is your rho 2. Rho 1 is directly given as 1.53 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube is already given. Wait a minute. Now for the formula, I need ZH1 and H2. H1 is 3 meter, H2 is 0.75 meter. Now in order to calculate pressure, any gauge pressure or atmospheric pressure, we have the formula P gauge is equal to rho GH. Rho GH, it is for gauge or same for atmospheric pressure. Both the things, it is rho GH. Rho is equal to density of the fluid. G is equal to acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height. Clear? Now, since there is no space, I need to rub it off. Now, what I'll show you how to calculate what P atmospheric pressure, which I have told you the formula is nothing but rho GH. So it will be here rho 2 GH2. So my rho here is 13.6 into 10 to the power 3 into 9.81 into height is 0.75 meter. So this need to calculate. Similarly, P gauge is equal to rho 1 GH1. Rho 1 is given density as 1.53 10 to the power 3 into 9.81 and h is given as 3 meter. So by calculating this two, I'll get the formula. So this comes out